I believe if we have the courage to learn something, we can truly master it. अगर हम एक ही चीज़ रोज़ करते रहेंगे and then we expect कि रिजल्ट नया हो, it's not possible. For everybody, it's different. हमारी wants की लिस्ट लंबी होती जाती है and actions zero. Nobody knows what you want except you. And if you are ready to compromise on the comfort zone, then the wants can be converted into experiences. Imagine yourself being the exact same person in 5 years. How will you feel? Not good? Step 1. Know your why. तुम्हें क्यों सीखना है ये? For passion, for fun or for career? I want to paint my ideas and imagination. मैं हमेशा से दूसरों की स्टाइल कॉपी करती आ रही हूँ. I want to discover my art style. Step 2. Break it into small chunks. What do you want to learn? Composition, figures, brush techniques, language, designing. Make a curriculum. Divide it into units, chapters, and schedule the study time. Step 3. Resources. Find a learning source you enjoy. अगर तुम visually सीखते हो तो watch videos. And if you learn by reading, then read books, blogs, exhaust your internet plan. Step 4. Learn, do, teach. वॉच ट्यूटोरियल्स एंड देखकर बैठो मत, उसे ट्राई करो, एक्सपेरिमेंट करो एंड देन टीच योरसेल्फ, रिकॉर्ड योरसेल्फ, राइट अ मिनी फीडबैक और अ रिव्यू. स्टेप 5. ट्रैक प्रोग्रेस एंड टेक चैलेंजेस. ग्रोथ. ये बहुत मुश्किल है बिकॉज आई थिंक आई एम नॉट टैलेंटेड इनफ. दिस इज नॉट इन मी. It's not working. I overthink, I overanalyze. But then I read this book, Attitude is Everything. It made me to shift my mindset in thinking how can I overcome my fears and challenges and see them as a learning experience. I learned कि कैसे मेरे thoughts मेरी reality change कर सकते हैं. If I start believing I can grow, then I will. I started by thinking, instead of I can't do this, I'm learning and I will improve. Taking small challenges every day, like learning to mix colors, to draw circles, line, and so on, I focused more on what will I learn instead of what if I fail. And the more I started practicing, I got curious. I wanted to understand more. I attended drawing sessions and sat for long hours. But I also learned to keep a balance. I took breaks because वो भी बहुत ज़रूरी है. I cooked, I played with my cats and took a walk. Also, to reward yourself. Your small wins will keep you motivated and boost your confidence. Step 6. Learn from experts. हम सबका कोई ना कोई रोल मॉडल होता है जिसे हमारे गोल्स अलाइन करते हैं. Observe them, their techniques, their habits, and then practice them. It won't be easy because they are at a different place. But remember, you are just learning from them, not competing. Do master studies, their brush techniques, how they use light and shadows to create composition. Watch documentaries about them, read their biographies.
The scans prove an essential point about Leonardo.
Step 7. Stay patient. You might mess up. There will be days when you don't want to work. But I learned to forgive myself, to rest but not quit. And in the end, you will get there. Have faith and patience in yourself. Today might be not your day, but tomorrow you'll get up again and do it. Of course, my goals will not go exactly as I planned, but let's wait and see.